Okay, so why choose all-out parking lots for this project? This is the area where we shine. This is what we do: maintenance, the seal coating, striping, crack sealing, the repairs. Okay, so let's talk about our process a little bit here. First, we show up, the trucks will get here, everything will be properly barricaded with our cones and flagging tape. We're going to break this job into 2 sections, which you will see on the map and the proposal. So everything will be properly barricaded, nobody will be able to get through. We then go ahead and we start with the prep work. We'll be using steel wire booms and 13 horsepower blowers to remove all the dirt and debris from the lot so that the sealer will properly adhere. After that, we go ahead and we start with the crack sealing, which is a big block of rubber heated up to 400 degrees. It then liquefies and we pour it into the cracks there to prevent from any water intrusion and to prevent the cracks from spidering out. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the application of the seal coat. So everything will be edged with small roofer's brushes and a spray shield to make sure that we do not get any sealer on any concrete or any other surface other than the asphalt. We'll then go ahead with our first coat using the spray bar, and then we will let that dry. Our second coat will be then using the spray wand to make sure we get a nice even finish and a proper seal. Okay, so after the sealer has dried, we will then go ahead and stripe the parking lot just as the original layout. We will be using our Graco airless line stripers and our line lasers for nice crisp lines and to ensure a nice picture perfect finish here. Please feel free to check out our videos, call our references. We're going to be very competitive on the price, and we look forward to working with you soon. Thank you very much.